Hi there, students. A shanty. A shanty. A countable noun. It has two different meanings, but they're both countable nouns. Firstly, a shanty is a crudely built place to live, a hut, a shack. A shanty is normally made of wood. So, shanty town, a shanty town. These are the slums on the edge of a city. Yeah, the slums were full of shanties. Mind you, some of the buildings in the slums are a lot better than just shanties. Yeah, shanty implies it's crudely constructed. It's not well made. It's made of what people can find. Okay, so a shanty, a ramshackle building, a shack, yeah, a hut, yeah, something that's been put together, yeah. If you call something a shanty, it's not very good quality. You're being critical about it. Okay, the other meaning of shanty is a song for sailors, a sea shanty. That's a common collocation. These were songs that sailors used to sing while they worked. Yeah. Notice the sea shanties. There are different shanties for different types of work because they have a very clear rhythm. Yeah, telling you when to pull or when to do something. So, yeah, what shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor early in the morning? Hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises. That's enough of me. Okay, so that's a shanty, a sea shanty. It's a song that sailors used to use to work to. I think it's to effectively keep the rhythm of the work. And I like the way there are different shanties for different jobs. I think that there's shanties for long hauls and short hauls and for a capstan and things like that. Okay, so a shanty. It's either a roughly built, a small roughly built house. Yeah, it's not very well built. It's a shack. So people in the slums lived in shanties. And then a sea shanty, a type of song. Okay, let's see. A shanty town, 5 informality, use anywhere. And this I think comes from Canadian French, chantier, which it was a lumberjack's cabin, a logging camp. So I think where a lumberjack, somebody who cuts down trees. I'm a lumberjack and I don't care. Sorry. Okay, so a lumberjack's cabin, a chantier, and the sea shanty, the song, comes from the French word chanter, to sing, and I think a sea shanty. That's 5 informality. Come on, sing us a couple of shanties. Yeah, I could hear them singing shanties in their shanty. Okay, so both, you can use both of them anywhere. Okay, so to live in a shanty, a small building, a shack, a sea shanty, a song sung by sailors. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Shanty.